Hey everyone, so today we are doing a full in-depth video of Luna Vista, which is one of my newer listings, and it's a 3-bed 2-bath in Bully Village, and it's listed for 330,000 US. So without further ado, let's go. This charming home has 2,500 square feet of living space and is ideally positioned on a hilltop in the quiet village of Bully. As you climb the concrete stairs, it is hard not to notice the stunning beauty that surrounds this property. 360-degree views and breezes all year round. Upstairs, you will be greeted with this large screened-in veranda area that is the perfect place for enjoying your morning coffee or lounging all day. Stepping inside the home, you will find a large and spacious open floor area featuring beautiful Belizean hardwood floors and cathedral ceilings. This area consists of a comfy living room, a spacious kitchen with hardwood cabinets and an island, and a separate dining area. Next up, you will find 2 bedrooms, a guest bedroom which is currently being used as an office, and the main bedroom. Both bedrooms are fitted with closets, air conditioning, and ceiling fans. This upper level has 1 spacious bathroom with double sinks and a tiled shower. Also on this floor and in the corner of the veranda, you will find this laundry area. Excellent, let's move on. Let's explore the exterior and the lower floor of this lovely home. Of course, on a warm day like today when I'm filming this video, the pool looks very inviting. The deck around the pool is great for lounging and getting a natural suntan. The lower level of this home features a spacious guest bedroom that could easily be converted into a full suite with a kitchenette and a breakfast nook area. The bathroom is also nicely finished with a good-sized tile shower. This exterior area could easily be cemented and screened in for a private veranda for your guests. It is currently the dry season in Belize, hence the reason why the grass looks brown and dead. But as soon as it starts raining, the vegetation will be lush and green again. The yard is almost half an acre in size and has a variety of fruit trees including soursop, custard apple, bananas, plantains, and coconuts. And to add to the beauty of living in this neighborhood, there is a small community park with shade trees just a short walk from the home. This area is perfect for an afternoon picnic or for the fur babies to run around. Bully Tree Village is about 2 miles from San Ignacio Town, and there are many expats scattered around the area and living amongst the locals. The Mopan River divides the village and is a fun spot for an afternoon swim. If you have any questions about this home, feel free to reach out to me. As always, I am here to help.